I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because adding an account there registers calendar access system-wide. First, make sure iOS is current. Outdated iOS blocks some sync features. Once done, open Settings and tap Mail or Passwords and Accounts. This is where you add the Google identity. You'll enter your Google email, then password, and accept permissions. This grants calendar access. This step sets the foundation so events sync reliably across apps, rather than only within one app. You choose Google and sign in. This authenticates your account and lets iOS request calendar permissions. Make sure to toggle calendars on. If you skip this, events won't appear. If you use two-step verification, complete it now or create an app password, otherwise sign-in will fail. Once you save, iOS will begin fetching calendars. Give it a minute to populate, refresh the calendar app to force a sync, and make sure the correct calendars are checked in the Calendar app's Calendars list. You now confirm success in the Calendar app by tapping Calendars and ensuring your Google Calendars are checked. If events don't show, pull down to refresh. That forces a sync. If that fails, toggle the calendar setting off and on in Settings Accounts or restart the phone to clear transient issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check Google account permissions at Accounts. Google.com. If calendar permission was denied, reauthorize it, then repeat the sync steps to restore events.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.